guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you 3 absolutely delicious and healthy breakfast ideas that are made from scratch and your whole family will love. If you are not familiar, I also show the portion control containers because I use Ultimate Portion Fix, so that's what the containers are that I'm talking about. For breakfast this morning I am making French toast, and I have my sprouted wheat bread, and then the kids are gonna have just the white farmer's bread. I've scrambled up some eggs with some cinnamon, and I'm preheating my cast iron skillet with some coconut oil. And then I'm going to mix up these 2 fruits to go with it. And for myself, for protein, I am going to have some kefir. So here it is. I drizzled some maple syrup, pure maple syrup over them, measure out my fruit, and then there's kefir for protein, and here are the kids' ones. For breakfast this morning, I'm making baked oatmeal. So I had greased up my pan with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And then you will need oats, baking powder, nutmeg, vanilla, Himalayan salt, honey, 2 eggs, almond milk, and applesauce. I don't have applesauce, so I'm just going to use Greek yogurt. And I'm going to mix my dry and my wet ingredients, and then mix it together, and then add it to the pan and bake it for 40 minutes. So here is my stuff. This is wet ingredients. It has eggs, yogurt, honey, almond milk, and then this has the oats, nutmeg, baking soda, and Himalayan salt. I also added vanilla in here as well. Now I'm going to add this to this and put it in my baking sheet, the baking pan. So it will go into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until golden brown on top at 400. Here it is all baked. I actually made a cut already because I'm going to split it into 8 pieces. So I'm serving mine with half a banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and some maple syrup, and on a side of kefir. This last breakfast idea I wanted to still include because it is one of my favorite, but I had recorded it for Instagram, not realizing that it was going to look like this once I transferred it for the YouTube. So I am making an omelette, and I am also having kefir, which will give me 2 proteins, 2 veggies, and I also have eggs for the protein. So, and I make it in my small pan. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like these type of videos. I can make more. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.